Many people have been complaining that they are unable to withdraw from Atok. So today I'm going to put you through on how to make a successful withdrawal to either Web3 or to other Atok accounts. For you to make a withdrawal from your Atok account, you have to first of all go to this manage. Okay, so you click on manage, and on manage you have transfer, the receive, and the scan. If you've not subscribed to the Saferhub, okay, Saferhub is an update channel, an information hub where we give updates on the trending news, app updates, app review, and then how to hustle online, how to make money online. Okay, so for you to successfully make a transfer, you need to first of all have a Web3 account, and the one that Atok has recommended, or the available one for Atok now, is make a withdrawal to Web3 wallet, and it's stated here TrustWallet or MetaMask. They are the one they are supporting now. Okay, and another one is you can make a transfer to another Atok account. It's called internal transfer. Okay, so and there are limits to how much you can transfer in a day. The maximum for withdrawal to Web3 wallet is 1,000. The maximum is 1,000. While to transfer to Atok account, the maximum per day is 5,000. Okay, and mind you, there is transfer fee. For you to make a transfer, first of all, you need to have a recipient address. You have to paste the address here, and then you put the amount you want to transfer to. So let's assume we want to transfer. We'll be demonstrating this transferring to TrustWallet. Okay, so let's make a withdrawal to TrustWallet. So we need to first of all get the address from the TrustWallet before you can make this transfer. Okay, so here we are on TrustWallet. You must import the Atok coin into the TrustWallet for you to make a successful transfer. Here I've already imported it, but let me show you how to do that. You click on manage. Okay, let me go back. You click on manage crypto. So look at it here, manage crypto here. Okay, you come to this place where you have all network. You leave it at all network. Then on the search, you type Atok. You search. Look at Atok here. Ordinarily, it will be off like this. So when you see it, you enable it. That is, allow it to be on like this, and then go back. This is importing it to your TrustWallet account. Now, when you scroll down, you'll be able to see it will reflect here. You'll be able to see the Atok that I just imported. Okay. You enable it, and it's on BNB Smart Chain. You enable it, then go back. You see the Atok has already appeared. Okay, so for you to make a transfer to this account, to this wallet address, you have to first of all click on receive. So you need to receive it on TrustWallet. So you click on receive. Now scroll down to the coin you want to receive from. So here we are looking at Atok. So look at Atok. While on Atok, what do? You copy the address. Look at it here. So you click on copy. Now you've address copied. Okay, so you now go back to your Atok account. You paste the address you just copied from TrustWallet. Then you put the amount you want to transfer. Here, yesterday I transferred 200. So today, let me transfer 800. Okay, so I want to transfer 800 today. I have available balance 813. So let me transfer 800 and leave 13. Okay, so while I'm done, I click transfer. So every transaction you make, every transfer you make, Atok has a fee of 5.83. So you collect Atok token of 5.83. So instead of 800 Atok that I wanted to withdraw, it will now add it. It will now become 508.83. You click confirm. Okay, then reCAPTCHA will come up. You need to click it to prove that you are not a robot, that is you that wants to do this. Okay, it will give you option to circle bicycle. So as soon as you are done with the reCAPTCHA, you will be redirected. Okay, so as soon as you're done, it will now ask you to enter your PIN, just to confirm that you are the one that is initiating this transaction. Okay, so as soon as you enter your PIN, the transfer was successful. So you've seen I made a 205 Atok withdrawal yesterday, and I've just did 805 withdrawal. So hopefully this will reflect on the Trust Wallet. Okay, so let me scroll down to Atok. Okay, so the 200 Atok that I sent yesterday is still what I have here. The one for today has not reflected. Okay, it has reflected. As you can see, what we're on it just reflected. Okay, so my Atok has been transferred successfully to my wallet. Okay, one other thing you need to observe here is that it's not showing the dollar equivalent. It's just showing you that 1000 Atok has been transferred, but it's not showing the dollar equivalent. So from my experience on Trust Wallet and all these upcoming tokens or coins, most of the times when your account amount is not showing like this, you use a VPN to log in. When you use a VPN to log in, either selecting US or England and refreshing it, you will see that the equivalent of your token will show. So you could give it a trial to check if you'll be able to see the dollar equivalent of your token. I just transferred 1000 Atok token to my Trust Wallet, and it was successful. All right, thank you. So if you have questions, you use the comment section. Use the comment section, and then I'll respond to every of your questions. Also, if you've not subscribed to the Saferhub, please support us by subscribing to the Saferhub. Subscription is free, and it will allow you to get notification as soon as we give updates on how to make money online or updates on recent happenings. Thank you. See you in the next video.